Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Waves wallet. So the first thing you want to do is go over to coinmarketcap.com and search Waves and click the website link through there so that you make sure you're using the legit Waves website. Once you're there, you want to click on Online Client at the bottom right and then click Get Started. Next, it's going to tell you to choose an avatar, so just choose anything you like and click on Continue. Then you're going to have to create an account. So choose a name and choose a password. Make it a strong one. Don't make it weak like the one I have in the video. Obviously, this is just for the video. And then click on Continue. Now you're going to have to back it up. So it says, treat your backup phrase with care. Waves platform would like to warn you about the increased frequency of scam and phishing attacks over the last month. Fraudsters are hiding their malware in their own versions of the Waves client and promising bonuses and discounts to lure in users. Please be careful and never input your seed into these clients because your account will be compromised and you will lose all of your funds. You should only use the official Waves client. So please be super careful and make sure you are only ever using the legit Waves website, and you can do that by going through CoinMarketCap. So then you're going to click on I understand, and after that it's going to bring you to a page that says backup now. So before you do this, you need to make sure that you disconnect your Wi-Fi because you don't want to be connected to the internet when you generate your seeds because that makes them vulnerable. Another thing I thought I should mention is that when I go to disconnect my Wi-Fi, I have a few different Wi-Fi networks in my house. So if I disconnect one, you think, oh, you're disconnected, right? But no, mine, I don't know if it does it for anybody else, but for me, it'll automatically start connecting to a different one. So I have to like disconnect it 3 times before I'm like absolutely not connected to Wi-Fi. So I just thought I would put that out there just in case if anyone else does have, you know, an extension or any other things like that, because I have like my main internet and then I have like an extension and whatever. So if you do have that, please be careful. Anyway, once you make sure you're 100% disconnected, you click on backup now and you're going to be given your seed words. So these backup words are very important. You need to write these down. Don't take a picture of them from your phone or anything like that. You want to write them down. Keep this piece of paper hidden somewhere safe. These are very similar to if you have a Ledger Nano S, you know you've already done this with the seeds and you know what that is. So that's very similar to that. The next page is going to tell you to confirm the backup. So you need to make sure that you put them in and you're still not connected to the internet because you don't want to do that when you have internet. Once you've put them in the correct order, then you want to click on confirm. And then it's going to say, let's review whatever. You have to click I accept all those boxes and click on confirm and begin. So now you're on this page, and if you click on receive, you go to where it says invoice, and then that's your public address that you can use to receive payments. And then at the bottom left, you can just click the little symbol to log out, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.